My name is Warren McGrew. I'm the owner and founder of Sparrow Exteriors. We serve greater Atlanta and really the entire Southeast for specialty roofing systems and entire exterior renovations. Since our founding, we really have focused on specialty systems simply because we really enjoy the before and after. It's very dramatic, and these sort of systems really will showcase our artistry, our craftsmanship, and we really believe that by being able to install these systems to the degree that we do, it really sets us apart in our market from your typical contractor. You know, 10, 15, 20 years ago, there really weren't a lot of alternative products that were either aesthetically pleasing or well engineered. But since then, we've seen a great deal of entry into this space, but not all of the manufacturers achieve the same degree of aesthetic beauty or attention to those engineered specifics, meaning that product may not perform similarly to another brand. And so we really have a lot of confidence, having worked with Brava, knowing that they look beautiful, and two, we have the peace of mind knowing that they really are engineered for performance. In 2016, our company was a National Project of the Year recipient, and while we were being featured at the International Roofing Expo, we happened upon Brava, and we're just immediately impressed with its beauty. It's a great looking product. But we took home samples, began playing with it, testing it, really just kind of giving it a good workover to see how it would perform to us, really abusing it. And we're just really impressed. And so we've been offering it to our customers ever since. Well, from an installation standpoint, we really enjoy working with Brava just because it is lighter weight and it tends to go down a lot faster. So you're able to have a quicker installation without really compromising any of the engineered specifications or the aesthetics. Brava really stands out for two reasons in my mind, and one is the aesthetics. The way that they're able to capture the natural wood grain in their shake profiles, the slate textures and their slate profile, but also the coloration. I mean, this product looks beautiful. It captures the natural look, the coloration. Customers rave about it. Well, one of the things that stands out about Brava is yes, it's engineered to perform. Yes, it's a beautiful looking product, but you also have the company that's standing behind it. So you get just amazing support. We pick up the phone, we have a question. Our representative is always there to answer, to help, to assist. If we need samples sent to our customer, we can put a call in and we know that they're going out in the mail the same day. Just the level of support that we get from Brava is just really unparalleled. So as a contractor, it's really important that we have great support from the manufacturer. Often we'll need to get samples rushed out, we'll have technical questions, we need a special color made. All of these things, the team at Brava just is always there. I mean, that's one thing that you can always say as a contractor, Brava is always there. So whenever we're placing an order with Brava, they give us an ETA on when that material will be delivered. And then as we get closer to that ETA, they're always staying in contact with us, follow-up calls, emails, just really keeping us in the loop. And so this way we can keep our customers in the loop. And communication's critical. As a contractor, we're making promises to our customers based off that information that we're getting from the manufacturer. And so Brava does a great job. From the moment we place the order until it arrives, they're staying in contact with us. And even on the one job where we had a difficult time getting that material in the driveway, just because of unique site conditions, Brava immediately jumped on it, found an alternative means of getting that material delivered, and just did a great job of taking care of us and our customer. You know, our clientele really ranges everything from your average residential consumer that's looking for a beautiful, durable product for their home, to builders and general contractors that are trying to serve their customer base, as well as our commercial clients that are looking for something that will give a unique look to their building and really not have a large degree of maintenance or ongoing upkeep. On a scale of 1 to 10, customers rate these products 10 out of 10 every time. I mean, they're gorgeous, they're beautiful, they love them. As a contractor, we're routinely impressed by the level of service that we get just from the manufacturer, and we are blown away with the consistency that these products offer.
Find out how to receive a sample of your next roof. Visit us online at bravaroofstile.com or call us at 844-290-4196.